First, we'll open the trunk. On the edge of the taillight, there are two clips right there, and I'll be using a clip remover tool like this to pull out both of those clips. This clip is actually of two parts, the front and the back. Once the front one is pulled out, then we also take out the bottom one. Similar way underneath, we'll also take out the bottom clip. Again, we'll take out the top part first, and then we take out the bottom part. Clip is out. Now from the top part of the tail light, we will punch in our fingers and then hold on to it. While holding on to the tail light like that, we'll slightly pull it outwards. There it is, the top part is pulled out. Similar way, we'll take out the bottom part as well. Just like that, we got the tail light popped out. Now behind the tail light, notice there is that one big plug right there. The way we take out this plug is we press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, we got the plug taken out. Once the plug is taken out, that is how we take out the taillight for this car. In my case, the taillight is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new taillight and you want to install it back, just make sure that behind the taillight there are two pointers coming out. And these two pointers are supposed to go into these two positions right there. First, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and punch in this plug right here. Just make sure the tab side of the plug, which is right there, matches with the tab side of the taillight right here. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug inside and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There we got the plug in position. Again, just emphasizing one more time, there is one pointer coming out right here and the other pointer coming out right there. These two pointers are supposed to go into these two positions right there. Also, notice from behind there is that one bracket on top of the bumper. This bracket is supposed to be slided in to that position right here. We'll carefully punch in the tail light, keeping in mind those positions behind. To make sure taillight is in from the edges, we'll have to push it down multiple times until it completely goes in. There you would notice the taillight completely sits in. Now it's time to punch in the clip. We'll make sure the bottom clip goes in first. Once that is in, then we will punch in the top portion of the clip. There we got the first clip completely in place. Similar way, we'll punch in the second clip at the bottom. Punch in the bigger portion first. Then later on top, we'll punch in the smaller portion. Both clips in position. With that, we are done with the replacement of tail light for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here is the tool that we used for this takeout.